Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Welcome back to OverTheTable's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos, the giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video coming up very soon. You don't want to miss out on that, it's going to be amazing. Now today's product, what we've got is a wireless charger. The brand is Reiko or Reiko, not exactly sure 100%. But it's about $30 for this product, so it should be pretty high end. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so this thing doesn't come in any kind of packaging that is for shipping because it was purchased directly in a Verizon wireless store. So if you want to get your own, you could definitely go into one of those stores and grab one. Now it does open up pretty easy, as you can see. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy out. So this thing kind of flaps right over and your product comes right out. So as you can see, you've got your wireless charging base here, and that's the Reiko or Reiko thing going on. And then you've got your charging cable, which I believe is probably a pretty standard 3 feet. Let's go ahead and find out. Yep, it is your standard 3-foot long cable there. Now let's take a look at this base. As you can see, it's got little rubber feet on there so that way it won't slide or anything when it's on a surface. It does work. It says wireless charger, that's the model number, 2 amp input and 1 amp output. So I do not believe this thing is fast charging because it doesn't say fast charging anywhere on the package. This product has a 7mm thickness along its edge, and you know, that's not really the thinnest of wireless chargers, but it's definitely not too thick. Definitely a hefty product, like you can tell it's decent quality, but nothing too heavy. It's definitely not going to weigh you down. And it's also got this ring around here, this little rubberized ring on the top, so that way when you place your phone on top of it, it won't slide or anything. And it's also a little bit of shock resistance going on there, so that way you don't mess up your phone if you were to just toss it right on there. Now I do believe it has blue LEDs that indicate when this thing is on and running, so that is a nice little feature. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see if it actually works. For the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and use this 7-port USB hub in order to plug our thing in. So we're going to go ahead and turn that one on, plug this USB in, just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and plug it into this end. Now this is a micro USB plug, just so you guys know in case you need a spare one. So as you can see, there's no LEDs on right now, but that's because there's no phone on it. So we're going to go ahead and take this phone and place it on there. And as you can see, as soon as I did that, the LEDs turned on and it's begun charging completely wirelessly. I do not think it's fast charging, but you know, maybe it's possible. It's a good question. I'll go ahead and turn the lights off so you guys have a better idea of what the blue LEDs look like. So you can see what it does, guys. It blinks because it's charging, and I'm sure it'll either stay on completely when it's done or turn off when it's done. This is a feature that will let you know whether your phone still needs to be charged or not from a distance, so that way you don't have to go keep checking on it, because it is a wireless charger. You can't really pick your phone up without stopping it from charging. So it definitely works, guys. As you can see, I lift this thing up, stop charging, lights turned off. It's definitely a decent product for sure. It is $30 though, so expect good quality because it is definitely not a budget product. It's more on the high end of things, and it works pretty well. It's pretty high quality. I would recommend it if you got $30 to spend. If you don't, then there are budget-friendly versions of the same type of product that will get you going. But that is the $30 wireless charger. So that, guys, is the video review of the $30 wireless charger. That's Reiko, R-E-I-K-O. However you want to pronounce it will work too. You can get it at the Verizon wireless store or probably other places online and such. So go ahead and look out for that. It's definitely not on the budget-friendly side, but it works and does exactly what it's supposed to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos, the giveaway, or the 100th video. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.